Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to talk about how much money can you actually make from trading Forex as a full-time job or on the side. So firstly, I want to say not everyone that actually gets into trading is going to make it, obviously, because we do have, I think, 99% failure rate. So out of 100 people that actually download MT4, MT5 or sign up with any broker, out of that 100, 95 to 99 people will fail and lose money and will never consistently make profit, let alone enough money to actually live off and live a comfortable life. So today I'm going to break down how much you actually can make from trading and if it's realistic for you to either quit your job and pursue trading full time, or if it's worth just using it as a side hustle, a side income, rather than actually making it your full-time job. If we actually look up the average UK salary, so we're doing this in the UK, average salary UK. So you think the average salary in the UK is £31,461. So we take this and then we divide it by 12, £2,621 per month trading. Say you can make 5 to 10% per month from trading. Now we've got to see how much capital you need to actually make this amount. So if we actually go over here and we use the text tool, what we can do is, so 2,621 per month. So per month, that's the average salary. So 10% per month, it's definitely doable. A lot of traders can do that, but there are a lot of people that can't do that. So let's say you're making that per month. You'd need 26,000 in your trading account. So this is the capital you need to make this. But let's say you can only make 5% per month. How much are you going to need? You're going to need £52,000 in your trading account to make that per month if you're only making 5% per month. So you're seeing where I'm going here. The less percentage you make, the higher your capital needs to be able to achieve this goal. However, let's say you're comfortably making 10% per month trading. The best thing you could probably do, go for a funding challenge. FTMO, probably the best one you can take out there. If you want to do that, link in the description to the FTMO link. And you can get up to 140,000 to trade pretty much for free. So if we look, you have 140,000 divided by 10 equals 14,000. So per month, instead of making £2,621 per month, you're then making 14 grand per month, just by having that increased capital from a funding company. So now instead of working for 5-6 months to make 14 grand, you're making it per month from funding. So you just got to think, do I have the capital to actually afford my lifestyle? And even in bad months, will I be able to afford rent and all my expenses? Because as every trader knows, every month isn't going to be 20%, 30% profit. You're going to have those months where maybe 2-3%. The market just doesn't go your way. And you think, even if you have an 80% win rate, you're only going to be right 80 trades out of 100 trades. So all those 20 trades could come in a row. You could win 80 trades in a row and have 20 losing trades in a row, and that could be 1 month where you just lose money. And if you're not smart with your money and you're not taking money out of the markets, investing it in other places that are more secure, then you're going to end up probably having to go back to your job. And that's why the funding is good. So what I personally do if I was in a situation where I don't have enough personal capital to quit my job, but I had the trading skill, I'd just go for a funding. I'd go for FTMO, pass the challenge, maybe start with a smaller one so you get used to the system, the rules of the trading on the FTMO, and then you can build it up and then you can merge the accounts. And then once you've got you can get up to £280,000, $400,000 to actually trade with, make 10% per month, and then average salary is 2,600. You're making 28 grand a month if you max out your FTMO. Let's say half of that you save for tax purposes, or however you do your taxes with an accountant. And then what you've got left, I'd put half of that into a personal trading account to trade alongside the FTMO, because then you know that account's slowly building and building and building. You know, in 10 months, a year even, you could almost have a 6-figure account depending on how much your expenses are. And then we're trading them side by side. Those good months are pretty much doubling your profit. And then you get the withdrawal with the FTMO. You know, you can maybe risk slightly more because it's not the risk of your own capital on the line. And you could just take another challenge, get another 280k account, that sort of thing. So I definitely say, when starting to trade full time, definitely don't quit your job unless your trading income is over double what you're making from your regular job. Because if you're making the exact same on a good month trading, bad month comes, oh no, back to the job. Definitely have a few months saved up of your normal expenses so you can deal with those bad months trading. Definitely try out funding, because it's just an easy way to pretty much get some free money. Like you saw, I did the Funding Talent series for a month, made £3,000, but they only gave me 250 because they're scammers. I mean, it's a no-brainer. If you have the trading skills, then might as well go and get some free money. The way I've actually structured my income is I don't focus on having trading as like a main source of income, because, you know, at the start when I was trading, I was trying to just make as much money as possible. And then also when you put that pressure on yourself to make as much money as possible, to make the same amount each month and try and get better and better and better, you can take trades you don't want to take, or you wouldn't normally take without the added pressure. You start to risk more because you want to make more money. You start to lose more because you're obviously trading more. The less trades you take, the lower your chance of losing trades, lower the chance of losing any money. So I definitely say, when I added other sources of income actually into my trading, my actual trading results went through the roof, because you're less reliant on having to make a certain percentage per month. And but if, say you have 5-6 sources of income, you have a negative trading month, they cover it all. You're still making money on the month. Whereas if trading is your literally your only source of income, have a bad month, it's not ideal, because then your bank account's just losing money, because you're having to pay all your expenses, you're having to pay your rent, food, everything like that. So I definitely say multiple sources of income are the best way to do it. And even if you're just investing your profits from your trading every month, a little bit, investing, maybe, I don't know, 50% of your trading profits, invest it, I don't know, crypto, index funds, stocks, anything like that, that is more consistently profitable than trading is. And it's passive income as well. Deposit maybe into an ISA, tax-free gains at retirement, you're sorted. Obviously this is all only my personal opinion, and I can't advise anyone on how to live their life or their trading career, but this is what I personally think, and what I've personally been through, is to just get as many sources of income that you can manage as possible. Try and get passive income as well, so you can put more time into actually learning trading whilst also getting those other sources of income as well. If you want a video on my income sources, I think I've already done one. There is a link in the description to that video if you want to see it. But if you want an updated one, I will be sure to do that if people want to see it. But if you did actually enjoy this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.